Hi, this is a quick guide to how to make the best of your time in the virtual space that we've got. We're having an e-summit and a network session, so I really hope you can take a chance to interact with all the people there. It's a great way to meet old friends and make new acquaintances there in this spatial spot. When you're with someone close together, you can hear them, but as you move away from them, then the voice gets quieter. Now, when you get the special link and you can join just before the session starts, fill in your name, a little bit about yourself, add an avatar if you want. We recommend using Chrome, and you can use your telephone or your PC. Don't forget you can move around the screen using your mouse or by using your scroll functions. Before you start, check out your camera and your audio is working. You can add an avatar, as I've said, and you can join the space. The first thing you'll see is the landing page, and on the top right there'll be a profile button. This will show you all the rooms which are in play at that time. You can click on each one of the rooms to teleport yourselves to a different location. There'll be labs from around the world, speakers and vendors too. At the base there's various icons which you can see where you can mute yourself, hide your camera, send a chat or even emojis. You'll be teleported to various places around the world, so click on the side and see where it takes you to find friends and have a chat. You can move around the space, you can go zoom in or zoom out of the location, so try that too. So hopefully you'll find a lot of friends in this new virtual world. You can move around, as I've said, to see different areas and different topics which are in play. So lastly, have a great time and I hope you enjoy our 100th session.
Hi, Olya, how are you doing?
Hi, I'm doing great. Very excited to see your space.
Thank you. Let's make it a little bit bigger here. So this is what we're using on our network sessions. We've done that before. Let's show them around, shall we?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, so this is a design of an IVF clinic. We'll be having various rooms for various people, friends and sponsors. Let's just go to IVF 2.0, shall we? And then say goodbye.
Absolutely. Just a second, I will find it. IVF 2.
So we've now been transported to Mexico. So anyway, this is great. There's lots to do on this networking session. I hope everyone will join us.